Hello friends, today we are playing Minecraft. So I'm gonna show you my house. So let's go. I'll show you the outside later. Look around here. I'm gonna put that fifth block as a glass. So this is underground storerooms. Lot is there. So this is the TV with a couch, a sofa, two-seater sofa. Okay, see how it comes. Next, this is the steps to the first floor, and this is the refrigerator. Okay, as there is nothing over there. This is the kitchen. As you can see, these two are the gas cylinders. Cylinder for cooking requires a gas cylinder, right? So this is the kitchen. So next I'm gonna show you the first floor, and lastly I'm gonna show you the storeroom. I'll do fast. Come on, fast. Let's go quickly so that look around. These are two treadmills. This is a weightlifting for 5 kg. This is a yoga mat, and this is a master bedroom. See, this is a TV. This is a cupboard. So this is a cupboard and a window there. This is also a cupboard. See this? It's pretty long, bigger than. This is a bed, air conditioner. It can even heat. It is air conditioner or AC with the controls, the control button. So I'm gonna now. So let me know. So this is the first floor done, and now I'm gonna show you the second floor. Okay, there is nothing much in here. There's some windows, and there is a balcony in here. This is the air conditioner for the first floor air conditioner. This is the balcony. Wow, look at the outside view. This is a tower I built so I can know where I can locate my house easily. We can sit around. So this is the third floor is over. The second floor is over. Now I'm gonna show you the storeroom. I'm gonna show you the storeroom. Next is outside of the house. Let's go fast. So let's go quickly. Let's go. This is the underground. Wait. Before that, I'm gonna press enter so that we'll know if we get lost. We are gonna press R and gonna come back here. And there is one more thing I made which we can't get lost. These red things means this is a where I know the location where I know. So this is another underground. We can go more down. So pretty quickly, let's not close this. We close this whenever we have finished. So okay. So this is, so we build 3 red here. We know this location already. We already know this location. I'm marking it with a red location. This too I'm marking it with a red location. So we know this is the most trickiest part, but to be sure, I think we can get out of this pretty fast. So here goes. Look at here. We know this location already. So if we go here, we come here. Okay, let's put here. So we know. Okay, there are lots of charcoal or coal. I maybe don't know. Okay, this one we know. So we marked it. And I guess so this is the end. No, there is a lot more. Look around here. This is a plus sign to know. To be honest, these are some steps I built. They go nowhere, but I'm just giving it a try. There are some charcoals here when I stopped. Let's go back. Now it's a mission to go back in. So a mission accomplished. We know this area. We also know this area. We have to climb. Uh-oh, we can't climb. This is a good one. We have reached the end. Wow! We have reached the end. But let's build a normal block. Wait. Journey home. This we almost completed. A house. This is a very good one, since underground is the most trickiest part ever. So let's go up. Backward here. Remember, we should lock. Did we lock over there? Good, we have locked. We have to lock this too, so no one gets here. Okay, we almost finished. Just climb these stairs. Yes! We are coming back to the level. We have finished the house. So we are just showing you the outside and all. And that's it. After that, the underground is a really adventurous thing. Oh, there's some flower garden. Some flowers. There are also some flowers there. Look here. Look around here. Flowers grow only in sunlight in these blocks, as you can see, which I'm pointing to. So this is a flower garden. I forgot to mention, this is the outdoor air cooling, as you have seen in your houses. So that's the end of the house, and Bye bye. Bye bye.